Okay, this is the first programming stream from Jake about my new app, the Dango. And I always like to set goals when I sit down for some work. So right now it's about 10 a.m. in the morning. I've had a cup of coffee, a couple bananas, did a little bit of stuff already, and let's figure out what we're going to do. So, goals today. My desktop is just all text files. I don't have anything else. So, kind of the way I had it in my mind this week was I was going to refactor some of the code that I wrote last week and kind of clean stuff up a little bit. But I don't feel like that's my biggest goal right now. I feel like my biggest goal is to test and make sure demo works. So biggest goal is to get everything working for the demonstration next Monday. So now that we got that out of the way, let's get down to business, baby. I should remove some of these. I wish I knew the command to remove like all of them at once. 44, 45, got 1, 04, come on now, that's 52, 54, 5, 8. I'm really big on like digital cleanliness. It's kind of this like, I don't know, OCD sort of thing. I never use that shortcut. That's the home directory shortcut. I like never use that. Oh, now screenshot 2020627. Yeah, that one did. 202 40628, and then 30. Those are pretty good tasks. I like those tasks for right now. I don't think we need to change that. I do need to fix the README. Let's see. Not really. I think it's fine. All right. Let's just walk through 6. No module named FFmpeg. So I do sudo apt install python 3 ffmpeg. Just look at what's going on and join assets. I've used ffmpeg before. It should be on here. Here, let's see how I used it before. Dude, I did not use it in Python before. Okay. So I used it in shellcode and I use it in JavaScript. Sick. Okay, so I've got, let's see, how to install Python 3 ffmpeg library. There's like different libraries for it. I'm actually following one of them. From ffmpeg import ff. Well, ChatGPT was the one that actually wrote this section. Let's go ask ChatGPT. The reason that I'm asking this stupid question is because there's actually multiple libraries. There's like ffmpeg Python, and then there's like Python ffmpeg. And I'm sure there's others. So I don't want to like get my versions crossed or whatever. I'm so bad at this package stuff. I should be in the virtual environment. Hold on, do I have to go cd bin? What is it? It's like cd venv, cd bin, and now I can source activate. Now let's try that pip3 install. Okay. It's telling me that it is already installed. Fucking beautiful. Sorry, I got jujitsu and dude's rolling with me, fucking up my eyes. Okay, let's see if it works now. No module named requests. Request should be a pretty well-known module. That's interesting. So in like call LLM, so I'm not using requests here. I am using requests here. Okay. I probably misspelled request. That's probably what it is. I know I'd like change that. Come on now. Isn't this exciting? I know Mike was thinking that I'd be like typing code and like, you know, doing some like matrix stuff where like text is appearing on the screen, but this is like 90% of coding right here. Is like doing like stupid problem solving stuff. Kate call LLM.py. Bro, why would that give me an error? That's so crazy. So it's like, I think it's because it's like managed differently within my virtual environment. I really want to just type in like pip3 install requests, but I don't want to have a bunch of trash. So let's is not a built-in module. Okay, I should already have it installed. Okay, sick. Whatever. Cool. What was that code that I did earlier that actually worked? Sudo apt install python 3 ffmpeg. Okay, that didn't. pip3 install ffmpeg python. So I want to do like pip3 install python requests. Python 3. Sick. That looked like it did something. Sick. Okay. Do I have to do that for every module? Let's bookmark this. I'm not used to working in like virtual environments. Okay, let's just do the same thing. All right. I guess I don't need to import Bodo 3 session twice. Man, I hate not coding with music, but because I intend on making this a video that we release, obviously we can't have music because it's copyright claimed. Unless I played my own music or copyright-free music. It's actually not a... No, I hate playing my own music. I should play some of Jake's music. Nice. Okay. Cool. Let's start printing stuff and doing stuff. Cool. I like it. I do want to make the main... I think I'm just going to make main call itself over and over again. That should be fine. So if I print an object, okay, sick. Yeah, it calls itself. Cool. Do user prompt, and then enter my prompt. Okay, what are we gonna write about, guys? Let's make something good. Let's go get some inspiration. I always use this as my stupid example, is history of Spain. There's like, that's my dumb example, is we're gonna make a video about the history of the country of Spain. So let's just make the prompt the first 2 paragraphs of the Wikipedia article. And then sick. I thought it was supposed to ask me for a for my tone. Object15.txt is not a valid JSON file. Okay, so we definitely have a problem in user prompt. I think it has to do with that paragraph break. I think it's like interpreting that paragraph break as something we don't want it to interpret it as. Okay, so I need to be able to... I got it now. That's interesting. It like rolled over into resolution. Alright, so I need to be able to copy multiple paragraphs into there. User prompt. How to do an input with Python that allows multiple paragraphs. Let's try that. Multi-line inputs. So we can do something that'll be until Control D. Okay, I like it. F multi-input. Let's give it a string. Look, I'm actually writing code, guys. It's actually entirely unnecessary. I think I just do that. Content. Okay. Where's my Wikipedia article? Come on now. History of Spain. I'm just gonna make sure OBS is still okay. It is still recording. How long? I'm up to about 30 minutes now. I've barely done anything. I love this job. It's not a job. I literally just do this, and no one told me to do this, and I just woke up one day and said, I'm gonna do this. Oh. Enter the tone. What should our tone be? Let's say educational. Let's just say educational. Sick. Okay. It would help if my function actually returned input, right? Return contents. We really need that as a string. I think that's the correct way to do it. Let's try it again. All right, back to our article. Nice. Sick. No, I think I just do that. Okay. Boy, I wish I knew how to write Python. Sick. Okay. No, it's not a valid JSON file. Alright. There's no reason to treat these as arrays. Got it. Can I use append? Appending something to a string in Python. I don't, is append just for arrays, or can we use strings? Okay, so I think I just do contents equals contents plus line. I think that's it. That's it, man. It's not a valid JSON file. That looks valid. That looks valid. That looks valid. What's wrong with my JSON file? Is it because I have an indentation there? Hold on, there's a website for this. Is my JSON file valid? There's a website for it. What's up? It's gotta be the line break, right? Okay, so I have to encode encoding coding escape characters for JSON in Python. There's got to be a this sounds like a job for ChatGPT. Yeah. give me a Python script that takes a string and encodes it and encodes it with all of the correct escape characters for JSON. JSON dumps. That's what I need. I will need to like JSON decode this at some point. It's my wife and I's anniversary. My dad just texted us happy anniversary. Ain't that nice? Ain't that nice? Okay. No. We're just gonna. That was weird. Alright, I should probably go into objects and clean up any weird stuff in there. Around object 19. Yeah, I don't know why it so I changed that, right? I started treating it as a string instead of an array, which might not actually be the right choice. Hold on. I like this choice better. Okay. I just want to put my input in. Run it back, baby. Run that shit back, dog. Ooh. Oh. Got him with that import JSON. Dumps. Dumps. We want multiple dumps. Yeah, we're dumping, baby. We're dumping. 2. Not a valid JSON file. Is doing all these double quotes. What's up with these double quotes? It's because I put quotes here where they don't need to be. It's still not valid. It's still not valid. Okay. I didn't do it to resolution. Hold on. RM, objects, obj, 25, 26. That's interesting. Never done that before. Okay, it's saying that I have an invalid ID when I clearly have a valid ID. Right. I clearly have a valid ID. Sick. Okay, okay. Nice. Just fix this in here. Cheat a little bit. This is by the way like the easiest thing I'm going to be doing today too. This is by far the most simple thing. So It only gets harder. I haven't actually started doing any of the stuff that's not supposed to work. This is all the stuff that's supposed to work already. Looks sick. Okay, looks sick. Let's see if we get some audio files, baby. Let's see if we get some audio files. Come on, Amazon Polly. Come on, Jeff Bezos. Old Jeffy boy, come through for me, Jeffrey. Jefferson. I should add an option to exit so I don't have to control C every time. No, I shouldn't. That's useless. It's an absolute waste of time. Voice files. Okay, so I should see 27. Yeah, we see 27. And then I should see, if I cat version, what is it going to say? It's going to say 1. And then I'm going to go into 1. And look, I have files.
Voice welcome, curious minds, to a journey through the intriguing history of Spain. Join us as we unravel the captivating tales of ancient colonizations and medieval kingdoms that have shaped the vibrant culture of this Iberian land. Voice scene narrator as history unfolds. Let's delve into the rich tapestry of Spain's past and uncover the layers of influence left by different peoples throughout the ages.
Okay, so we got a little bit of a formatting error. It's okay. I knew that this was kind of the deal anyway. This needed to get cleaned up. I don't need these scene tags. So let's make this better. Okay, title and keywords, that looks good. I don't need to do it like this. Alright, I need to fix format script after this. And then I need to fix the voice calls. This is so janky. I should really make this like a normal human list. Okay, sick. Now, gotta go into format script. Kate. Sick. Okay. That should do it. And then I call voice API. So I'm calling with the script, and then I try script for each section. Okay, so that's actually not the one I need. What am I doing? Call gen voice. Call voice API. All right, so I think what I do is I do a regex expression to grab everything between the voice tabs. See, this is interesting, though. I wonder.
Voice welcome, curious minds, to a journey. Voice, have you ever wondered how the Mediterranean coast of the Iberian Peninsula first came in?
Regex expressions. Resub. I hate myself for doing this. No, I'm not gonna do this to myself. Tables. You know what? We actually need to do this. And actually, I don't think I want this flag. I want it to be case sensitive. There's no reason to remove that, I guess. All right. Let's run it back. Let's run it back, y'all. I think what I do is let's make a new. Let me just make a new one. I wonder if y'all could actually hear what the desktop was saying. I'm gonna check next time. User prompt. Let's get a new prompt. Iberian Peninsula. Why not? All right, so we got sections, we got voice, stock, narrator. Okay, that's actually a lot closer to what I wanted. Nice. All right, let's try 5, 28, poly, sick. Okay. CD voice files, ls, CD 28, CD 1. No! It's weird. Maybe I exited out before it could do what it was supposed to do. Like it just does it right away, and it doesn't actually make sure it's done. I could have fucked up my regex expression, and I could just be passing it empty things. I bet that's what it is. Yeah, that's gotta be what it is. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna run this and it's just gonna show me calling Polly with the following script. It's gonna show me that like 7 times. That's what I think is gonna happen. Let's actually just fuck. Oh, I have to actually call it from this directory. Maybe that's, I can put that on the list of things. Make sure I can call main from any. It really doesn't matter. It just doesn't matter. I'm trying to add functionality I don't need. This is me being obsessive. Alright. That's interesting. Okay, so it's having trouble grabbing this script um, object. Right. Right? Is it? Okay. So that got messed up. Let's run it back. All right, so that looks normal. And if I go to select LLM call, throw in 29, tell it Zuki, see what it gives us after that. Print object 29. All right, so we're overflowing. Doing something. Welcome, history enthusiasts. All right. So, anyway, that's about as much video as we need for right now. Thanks, guys.